Hi, let's make education a little more fun and exciting. This is Sangeeta Manna and this is my first YouTube video and I am here to teach you SST and English. My first topic is physical geography and the first chapter is our environment. Let's see what are the contents of our chapter. Number 1, what is an environment? Number 2, components of environment. Number 3, types of environment. Number 4, natural environment. Number 5, domains of environment. Number 6, human environment. Number 7, human-made environment. And number 8, extra knowledge. So what do we mean by environment? The people around us, things around us, nature around us, whatever surrounds ourselves is called environment. Our neighborhood is our environment. What are the components of environment? There are 3 components of our environment. Like number 1 is natural, number 2 is human environment, and number 3 is human-made environment. What are natural environments? Hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. This makes natural environment. What are human environment? Individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic and political situations or etc. This makes human environment. What are human-made environment? Buildings, parks, bridges, industries, roads, monuments. These are human-made environment. So first we can know what is natural environment. Land, water, air, plant, animals comprise the natural environment. I guess you are familiar with the words like lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. We will learn about these facts in the next slides. The main domains of the environment, first we are learning about lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Where we live, where we stay, that place is called lithosphere. It is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. Hydrosphere, the domain of water. What is water? The other name of water is our life, and the domain of water is referred as hydrosphere. What is atmosphere? The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Biosphere. What is biosphere? Plants and animal kingdom together makes the biosphere. Lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soils. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. Lithosphere is a domain which provides us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. What is hydrosphere? The domain of water is referred as hydrosphere. It comprises various types of water bodies like river, oceans, lakes and seas, etc. It is very essential for living beings. What is atmosphere? The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around us. It protects us from harmful UV rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce the changes of water and climate. What is biosphere? Plants and animal kingdoms make together biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. What is human environment? Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early human beings adapted themselves according to the requirements that availed to them around the nature like fire, leaves and woods and etc. Iron was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. The wheel was invented, technology as well. What is human-made environment? Humans modify natural resources to make things like buildings, parks, temples, offices, bridges, roads, etc. These are known as human-made resources. Now we can get some extra knowledge about our chapter. Recently we celebrated World Environment Day. It is celebrated on June 5th. Barter system. What is barter system? It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without money. Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? It is a system formed by the interaction of all the living organisms with each other and with the chemical and physical factors. What is environment? Where did we get the word environment from? We got it from a French word named environner, meaning neighborhood. Biotic environment. The natural environment that comprises of living things are called biotic environment. And what is a biotic environment? The natural environment that comprises of non-living things are called a biotic environment. Hope you got the topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.